Hi everyone. I have troubles with the live stream connection. It's not a direct connection, you get it in slow motion. So the things I tell is a little while after the right time. I want to share what inspired me for this painting. It happened during one of the kids' painting lessons on a beautiful sunny day this summer. The light in my studio was perfect and the sun shone on Lila's red hair, making it glow. Her hand holding the brush was also bathed in this warm red light. It was a lovely moment when time seemed to stand still. This scene made me think of a painting by Pieter Saenredam, depicting the interior of the St. Bavo church in Haarlem. The way the light fills that church, one of the finest Gothic buildings still standing today, is breathtaking. That's the feeling I wanted to capture in my painting. I'm building up the whole layer, the whole painting, sometimes a little bit more and sometimes a little bit lighter. So if I paint it here, I paint a little bit lighter, softly with the brush. But you are starting with the first layer, so it's kind of underlayer. Now let's dry again.